Good evening, team. Santosh Shetty here, and welcome to Shetty Forex. Today, we have come up with a new opportunity for all of us in a cryptocurrency industry. Yes, we are going to work now in a cryptocurrency industry. Okay, and we will take a help of Royal Q. Royal Q is a semi board which will place a trade on behalf of us. Only we have to set some parameters in that, okay, and automatically it will trade for us, and it will take a profit, and it never close a trade in a loss. Okay, so we are going to work in a cryptocurrency, and it will be in a spot trading means never loss trading. So you will not get a margin call or anything like you used to get in a of forex. So as we all know, in coming years world will be dealing in a cryptocurrency and blockchain world, and we are going to work with number one exchange, Binance and Huobi. Yes, we are going to work with Binance and Huobi only. Okay, and it's a world's number one or number two exchange is a Binance, and Huobi comes around number five, I believe. Okay, and in cryptocurrency you will never get margin call or liquidate call as we get in forex. Okay, so basically this is the first video, so I will just try to help you how to connect your Royal Q with your Binance, okay, and Huawei with API and IP binding, how you will do it, and how you will going to pay a charges for this one. Okay, so once, so sorry, so this is your Royal Q account. Okay, this is your Royal Q account. So first of all, you have to come here, mine. Okay, if you see mine here, there is an option VIP. They have written as asset is written over here, and API binding. First we will click asset over here. Asset means you have to deposit. The charge for Royal Q is $100 for an year. Okay, again I will repeat this one. $100 is a charge for working this board. So automatically it will work for us for a year. It will work. Okay, and you have to put keep some extra amount like $20 to $30 for fuel charges. Okay, so you have how you will deposit here. So first you have to press deposit. You have to copy this one. Okay, once you will copy this deposit, and it should be TRC. Okay, then you have to go to Binance. Once you will go to Binance, okay, go to wallet. Once you'll go to wallet, go overview and withdrawal. Once you'll go to withdrawal, press this USDT. Getting my point? USDT. Okay, you have to paste that Royal Q, that link over here. Okay, or type will be TRC. Don't select anything. TRC will be the type, and amount will be like 120, 130 or 150. You can put you keep 150. Okay, it depends upon you. You keep that one. Once you'll deposit this one, so after 5-10 minutes, that amount will be credited over here. Okay, once you will get amount over here, so you will come to know, oh yeah, like $150 or $149 is there. First you have to renew this one. You have to press this one. Okay, you have to click here, I have agreed a Royal Q, and you have to give your 100 rupees as a what to say fees for a year. And you can see here for year time, that expiry time will be there for a year. Okay, and you will keep some amount like 20, 30, 40, $50 over here for your fuel charges as your trade will go. Second thing, you have to connect your API, otherwise it will not work. So you have to press here, that this one, API. Once you click API, Binance will be there. You have to press this one, and you will get either IP binding, your this mobile IP is there, your API and secret key will be there. You have to copy. Just a minute. Then what we will go to Binance. Once we will go to Binance, press home, press more, and you will scroll down. The API management is there. You can see API management. Press API management. Okay, just give me. Okay, so edit option is there. Okay, So see, arrow is there, below arrow you have to press this one. Okay, you have to click edit. Okay, edit. You have, see, API address you will copy from here and you will place it over there. The secret key is there, you will copy and place it over there. Once you will press edit, you have to click enable reading and enable spot and margin trading only. Okay, and margin, don't allow to, don't enable withdrawal permission, future anything, don't please allow that one. So the one more option was there, IP binding was there in royal queue over here. So you have to copy this one IP binding, you have to place it over here. Earlier the click was here, so you have to click it here, the second one, and you have to paste here. Once you will be paste over here, so automatically it will be connected. So how you will come to know if your API is connect or not? So you will come to quantitative. So once you will press here quantitative, so see here the Binance balance is there, so automatically it will come. So you have to select your, what to say, uh, coins from here on which you are going to trade. Okay, so $100 is the charge for activating royal queue. 20, 30, 40, $50, whatever amount is there, you can keep here for trading. And whatever the amount will be there on actual amount you are going to trade, that will be in your Binance account only, and no one will take that one, no one can fraud that one. That's why uh, Binance has put this restriction of IP binding. So Royal Q can't place a trade on behalf of you of any amount, and he can't cheat with you. Hope you are getting my point. And apart from this, this is the first video of introduction or how to connect API was there. So what I will do, I will make another video. So how you are going to place a trade. So my trade is running over here, and this is my revenue. Okay, in 24 hours you will at least generate 1%. It depends upon your strategy. We will talk in that in our second video. Thanks a lot.